Show me that beautiful face. Two best friends from university days.
No, they will still follow you.
Here's the angel coming down the stairs of heaven. Did God send you for me? These kind of hikes you love, not the tiring ones. I'm shooting you.
I'm shooting you.
Wow. ना देखती तू बहुत सारे लूप ट्रैक्स हैं न्यूजीलैंड में आप Hello everyone, today we are again at one of our hikes and we are at Clevedon Scenic Reserve. So hopefully it will be a 1 hour hike, pretty easy one. It was mentioned that there will be 1,000 steps something. So let's see how it's going to be. How excited are you?
Very, yay!
And we have a friend as well today with us. When was the last time you were on a hike?
Maybe last year.
Last year? Oh wow. Let's hope you like it.
Okay.
Isn't she looking beautiful in that flower? Wow. Show me that beautiful face. Yeah, you are looking beautiful. So, this is the entrance. And just like any other hike you go in New Zealand, you have to clean your shoes before you enter. Let's do that. Okay.
Manu country.
Yeah. You're telling some fact about Clevedon as well, right? What was
So
it?
it's close to the source of the water we drink in Auckland.
Okay.
So most of the supply of water comes from this area. It's very clean. There's a water factory nearby, owned by Watergear, and they purify the water from there. It's a really good source of water. I've been there. Really clean.
So there are basically 4 tracks. Kauri Forest, some Thonos, Quarry, Toratara, Puriri walking track. Which one do you want to go?
And anyone.
There are 4 of them.
Oh wow.
So there's a 10-minute walk,
Yeah.
then there's a 40-minute walk,
Yeah.
and this one is also a 40-minute walk.
Up to you guys.
Okay. I think we should go from this one because it also has Kauri Forest in between. So I think that will be beautiful,
Okay then.
right?
Also looks flatter.
She doesn't want to climb the stairs. There will be stairs here as well. You know that, right?
I don't know.
Two best friends from university days. So this is that small hike which comes to Althorpe's Quarry and this small fall, and I guess now we have to go back if we have to go further ahead for that 40 minutes walk. There is no other way, right?
Yeah. Look at the grass on the rock. How long?
So now we have come back from there and we're going to start from this way because that was not very long way. It ended in just 5 minutes walk, right?
Yeah.
What happened?
No, they will still follow you.
Nobody wants to follow me?
Yeah.
Why?
You don't. Oh, looks cool. Oh. There might be some mushrooms.
Hey. Hey. All those steps will be useful over here that you do in the gym. Hey.
Morning.
Morning. Let me know whenever you want to stop.
Last one.
I'm shooting you.
I'm shooting you.
And probably your friend is getting bored.
No.
She's like, what the fuck? Why did I come with these two? And we have reached the top.
Approach edge of altitude zone. Take off.
Wow, the valley looks so beautiful.
Yeah.
So beautiful. तो भाई अब चल पड़े हैं नीचे की तरफ। बेसिकली ये जो है एक लूप ट्रैक है। हमने जहाँ से शुरू किया था और हम यहाँ पे टॉप पे पहुंचे। अब हम यहाँ से नीचे जा रहे हैं और दूसरे रास्ते से बाहर निकलेंगे। तो आप किसी भी रास्ते से शुरू कर सकते हो इस ट्रैक को, इवेंचुअली आप वहीं पे पहुंचोगे। बहुत सारे लूप ट्रैक्स हैं न्यूजीलैंड में। आप जहाँ पे भी जाते हो ज़्यादातर मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर लूप ट्रैक्स, कि आप कहीं से भी शुरू करो, आप घूम के वहीं पहुंचोगे जहाँ से आपने शुरू किया था। ये बढ़िया चीज़ है, कुछ भी मिस नहीं करते आप। It's a reflector for the night.
Okay.
If people are doing some night running, trail running, so it's for them. Here's the angel coming down the stairs of heaven. Hey, did God send you for me? मुझे ना दिखती तू. So this is the end of this hike. Finally, we started from that end and then we end up from there. Pretty easy, I would say, but it was a good one. Really beautiful, not tiring at all. And even if it's sun on your head, you won't feel hot. It's really cool because it's covered with the trees, branches and shelter. It's a good one. Hey! So, are you feeling tired today or are you not?
No, we're fine.
You're fine? Loved it? So these kind of hikes you love? Not the tiring ones? Come on! You're really strong now. You have been doing that fitness regime in the gym with me. You should be saying yes to those really, hectic hikes. Next time? Okay. She's saying that. Let's see if she keeps her promise. Until then, keep enjoying, keep traveling. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.